Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to sort a list of string by their length. Okay, to do that, we can simply do something like this. Why is my keyboard not working? Return. Let's use the sorted function. Right, and within that, we pass in the list, and we can pass in the key equals to len. Okay, so what this does is it looks at the length of it and then sorts it. Okay, so that's how we can pretty much solve this particular problem. Right, let's see, it should work just fine. Yeah, no need to use the loop and everything. Right, so just the keyword parameter is helpful that Python provides. Right, so when we look at the solutions, this is sort of like a lambda function. Okay, so it basically takes in the length of all the list element and then basically just does the sorting. Okay, you can see how other people have done it. It pretty much same. You see, I told you it's similar to lambda function. You can just do lambda x and then length of x. You can simply do that as well. Okay, so that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.